Hi guys, Nudge Double Up Deluxe, quick update. We have the tubes fitted, look at that. What a difference. And also, thanks to Nick, I've got some fantastic wheel bands. Look at the difference they make, superb. I've got some credits in, I'll just give you a quick demo, here we go. Sounds are good, the reels are good. I've got a new 10p tube in there, that's good. New 12 volt bulbs as well, which has solved the double problem where I'd be tapping the glass to get it to work. Not anymore, it works perfect. Collect that, fantastic, thank you. Wow, look beautiful. Right, I'm going to go down. I'm not sure how many we need. Certainly a bit more than 3. No, rubbish. We're off again. It's got to be up for grapes. I think we need probably about 4 nudges. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sure it's 4. Let's go for it. Yeah. Even on new 10p's, it still sounds great when it pays out. Cheeky hold. Still got quite a few jobs to do. Got new locks to put on. I've got to sort the front door out. We'll just go down because we never got the oranges in 1. 3. Let's just take it. 1, 2. No. Plays lovely. I'm so chuffed to bits with this. Just got a few credits left. Is it going to give me anything decent? Right. I'm going to go down, but you never know. Let's go. 3. Nope, nothing. Rubbish. Ah. Just looks wonderful. We don't care. That's it. Thanks, guys. Cheers.